everyone, Cubethebube back again with another video. We are at Keppel today in Singapore. If you look at the new map, they'll have 3 new stations: Keppel, Cantonment and Prince Edward Road. Today we'll be looking at all 3 of the stations, and the doors are now closing. Welcome to Keppel Station, everyone. So this is 1 out of 3 new stations: Keppel, Cantonment and Prince Edward Road, similar to Hong Kong. Yeah, so this has 2 platforms, A and B, not 1 and 2, because I don't know, that's how they do it in Singapore. Yeah, so this has been open for roughly a week. It's 30th Circle Line station, so it goes clockwise and anti-clockwise. So platform B is clockwise via Harbourfront. So that's Harbourfront, obviously is not the terminus anymore. And it's clockwise, anti-clockwise on the platform A, which goes via Marina Bay, which was the old terminus on the other side. So yeah, now you can hop between Harbourfront and Marina Bay by train, which closes the gap on the Circle Line. We're at the concourse, everyone. So we're in the paid section of the concourse. So this is after you exit and everything. So there's signs for exit 1 and 2, which there's only 2 exits of. So there's Keppel Road, and they'll show you the system map, the exit directory, which is, oh no, there's actually 3 now. 3 exits, Keppel Road. So there's 3 exits to Keppel Road. There's a church, and there's others. Keppel District Park, or District Park. This is the map of the surrounds of Keppel. Yeah, it's a very nice and calm station, to be honest. And I like the architectural design of it, like the roof, the pillars, and everything about the station. Very nice. And obviously the trains have that new jingle, just like Japan. And you have a nice view of the station from up here, just like other stations on the Circle Line. And there's also a tunnel boring machine on the unpaid section, which I'll check out later. Wow, that's very cool. And there's a story on the closing of the loop. Wow, very, very cool. And there's a tunnel boring machine, or TBM model there. So yeah, I'll go check that out later. But first of all, we've got to check out TBM here. Wow, this is a very cool boring machine. It has all of it's all labeled and everything. It's very, very cool. So yeah, I do recommend you guys come here to Keppel and check it out. Yeah, and there's also this closing the loop story of Keppel Station. Wow, very, very cool. So yeah, guys, I'm now at exit 1 of Keppel Station. So it has basically the whole last attractions of the station. There's elephants, which is very cool. Yeah, and obviously there's the signs up there for taxis and rideshare pickups and whatnot. And also next to us is Keppel Road. So look at these. So there's a rhino. You can pause if you want to read it. And then there's an elephant. The other aspect of the station, it has a bike parking, underground bike parking, because there's lifts here. So that's pretty cool. So there's all the bikes. You can fit quite a lot of bikes down here. But one thing about the station is that there's not much stuff that people would want to alight here for. So yeah. Next station, Cantonment. So guys, yes, I'm in Cantonment now. 2 out of 3 on the new 3 stations of the closing of the Circle Line. Keppel, Cantonment and Prince Edward, as you saw in the intro that I did. Yeah, so we are now in the middle section. So we're in between the 2 new stations, so this can be the newest. Yeah, just joking. Yeah, so we're surrounded by Keppel and Prince Edward. And this is the anti-clockwise map. Yeah, very, very cool. So I also love this roof. Oh my goodness. It looks like Canary Wharf Station in the UK with that, what they want to make look like stained glass. Goodness me, the architectural aspects of that. Very, very, very cool. And also with the classic fan. Yeah, I don't know, they should have aircon. They just want a fan for, I don't know, weird or something. Very, very weird. But yeah, very cool. Nonetheless, there's so much architectural aspects to it. Yeah, there's also about 4 exits to the station. Platform, no, not platform. Exit 1, exit 2, and exit 3 and exit 4. When you can see here. So the locality map, they have it in every single station. So look, we are at Cantonment. Platform 4 is Keppel Road, and the former Tanjung Pagar railway station. The former linked to Kuala Lumpur. And there's obviously bus interchanges too. There's an art museum, which is exit number 1, Singapore Art Museum. And number 2 is an estate. And number 3 is a park. So yeah, very local station, other than the tourist attractions like the Singapore Art Museum and former Tanjung Pagar railway station. This is obviously very in close proximity to Keppel, which is just down Keppel Road, then Cantonment. Yeah, so very, very cool station. So this is a clockwise platform, which is platform B, and there's an anti-clockwise, which is platform A. So yeah, very, very cool. And oh wow, there's a clock showing. Wow, that is very, very cool. I don't know what vibe they're trying to get off here, but it's like Canary Wharf or a cathedral. And now the train is approaching platform B, which is a clockwise. I love that jingle. So yeah, let's go check out the concourses. So yeah, when you come out of the station, you'll come up to this. If you want to come out on the clock side, it's this exit. But I think it's going to be very similar design aspect. Yeah, so let's tag out and check out the unpaid concourse section. Obviously new fare gates and easily recharge center. They want to make it very earthy colors, so there's like red-ish kind of stuff, and there's a lift going down. There's quite many lifts. Yeah, so very, very cool. There's also this, which is art in transit. So they want to introduce more art into transit in Singapore, in MRT stations. Yeah, very, very cool. So yeah, let's check out the upper concourse. So yeah. Yeah guys, now I'm on the upper concourse section. So there's actually 2 concourses. The paid one, the unpaid one, and there's 2 levels. The paid one is on the bottom level, and the unpaid one is, there's a half of unpaid one on the bottom concourse, and all of the upper concourse is paid, unpaid. So yeah, here is the art. This is, I don't know what they're trying to achieve with this, but it's very cool nonetheless. I can see myself through the mirror. Very, very nice. Don't touch the artwork. Yeah. Very, very, very cool. Yeah, so in conclusion, There's 4 exits in this station. 2 of them are to landmarks, 2 of them are to estates. Yeah, so there's about nothing else in the station except for this. They obviously have maps and everything. Yeah, so next thing will be Prince Edward Road, like Hong Kong. Very, very nice. Hello guys, so now I'm at Prince Edward Road Station. All good. So this station has quite a lot to offer. It has a future platform here, I think for the Cross Island line, if I'm correct. So yeah, that's why they're leaving the door tiles to fit the platform screen doors on. Yeah, so this is a future-proof station basically for extra expansion. So keep your eyes on this. This will be the next project that they're going to have, the Cross Island line. So there's no cross-platform transfers if you forgot to get off at one station. So this is platform A, but platform B, you have to go down one. So let's head down the escalator. I also got to appreciate the roof design aspect. It's very, very cool. Very wavy and whatnot. But let's go deeper into the earth. Yeah, so guys, I'm down one to platform B, which goes via Harbourfront. So this is the last of the few of the new stations, as you can see, or the first if you consider the clockwise movement. Yeah, so it's out of Keppel, Cantonment, and now Prince Edward Road, which is very similar to the Hong Kong Prince Edward station. So obviously same as the last time. This is also a future-proof station for the Cross Island line, which is a big project. It crosses the damn island. Yeah, so very, very cool. And it's fully underground, and it goes under the Jurong Reserve. So extremely cool. And this whole line is autonomous, just like I said earlier in the video. And it's the 32nd Circle Line station. So the 33rd would be Marina Bay, which is the old terminus of the Circle Line. But now it just says via Marina Bay. Yeah, so now let's go to the concourse section, which is, you have to go up 2 escalators now, instead of 1, because it's 2 stories. Nice benches. And yeah, let's go up to the concourse. We are now in the paid section of the concourse. Very, very cool. Very, very empty though. It's just like the other Circle Line stations, including the old ones and the new ones. It is full of earthy colors, like dark red, like rusty kind of. Yeah, very, very cool station. There's a system map, like every other station. Yeah, so this is the paid one. So this is after you tag in. Escalators. But yeah, it's a pretty cool station because it's 2 floors for the platform. And yeah, it's close proximity to Marina Bay, which is interchange for Northeast Line, Thomson East Coast Line, and obviously the Circle Line. So yeah, it's a good station, very, very good station. It's very clean, obviously it's new, but yeah, let's tag out. Okay guys, so this is the locality map. So this is number 2, number 1, so there's 2 exits. It's serving quite a lot of stuff. So most stuff that's serving is exit 2, which is serving quite a lot. And there's many bus stops too.
நம் ரயில் நிலையங்களையும் ரயில்களையும் தூய்மையாக வைத்திருக்க உதவிடுங்கள். அன்பு கூர்ந்து ரயில் நிலையங்கள் அல்லது ரயில்களில் உணவு உட்கொள்ளவோ பானமருந்தவோ கூடாது.
There's also a Marina Bay fire station, which is pretty cool. I'm an emergency service enthusiast, if you don't know. But yeah, but there's only one way out, and then it will split off of the exits. Okay guys, so now we're in the unpaid section of the concourse. It's a very long way for exit 1 and 2 if you're exiting on the wrong side. There's bathrooms there, men and women. Yep. And there's also many bus services too from the station surrounds. So yeah, I'm going to end off my video in the exit 1. So yeah. So yeah guys, this concludes my video. I'm currently at Prince Edward Road bus interchange outside of station exit number 2 in Prince Edward Road station. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching today's video. I hope you gained something out of it. I'm currently in Singapore on holiday. Yeah, and I'll film the Australian when I get time. So yeah, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe or whatever you want to do. And yeah, thank you everyone for watching. You'll probably be watching on the Monday of 20 something. So yeah, thank you guys. This has only been open for like 8 days or 9 days. Make sure to watch my other videos like the Kuala Lumpur LRT line, the new one, the Starline LRT line, the full journey with some facts included. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.